You want something? I got money. Daddy's rich. Oh, there's men in here. I hate it. Oh my god, he's stealing my bike. Got my ice cream. Got medium fire. Let me see, he's fresh. Yay, bike lane! I love bike lanes. Excuse me, sir, this is the bike lane. But that's definitely way easier than the sidewalk.
Guys, I have lost my brother. Where's my brother?
Are you calling me? Oh. My god, I almost crashed. Be a bird. Oh wait, speed up. Oh wait, item. It's cold in here. Oh my god, they're right here. Tropical, just flavor. Thank you.
Yay, no one stole my bike.
Almost there. Let me check the house. Am I tripping? Yes, sir. I thought it was one of the cats just now. Oh, my heart is in my ass.